Hi, my name is Joe Morelli of the law offices of E.Salomone and Morelli in Hartford, Connecticut. We are a personal injury law firm handling injury cases throughout the state of Connecticut. I'd like to tell you about a case we handled just recently, last year, about a motorcycle passenger who was involved in a very severe accident. She was a passenger who boarded the motorcycle in Meridian. Her driver was a friend of hers, who then proceeded up I-91 North, beginning in Meridian, ending up going through Middletown and then eventually Rocky Hill. As part of our exhaustive investigation, we discovered there was a handlebar mounted camera on the motorcycle. Based on our extensive experience in handling motorcycle cases, we always perform a thorough investigation, including a reconstruction of the events leading up to the crash. Like solving a puzzle, we piece together the most minute of details of the actions of each car, truck, and motorcycle to create a foundation for maximum recovery. It was through this analysis that we determined that the motorcycle did in fact have a mounted camera that had recorded the entire trip and its fatal consequences. We immediately moved to secure an exact copy of the accident video. We could not have come up with a more key piece of evidence to tie in all of the insurance companies. We discovered it was activated just before the accident, and it showed in real time what happened. The operator of the motorcycle was racing 4 other motorcycles at speeds in excess of 160 miles per hour. This fatal accident was devastating, and our client, the passenger, sustained severe injuries to her upper body. She was fortunate, and it was miraculous that she wasn't killed. She had some soft tissue injuries to her neck area, had some damage to her ribs. Primarily, though, she sustained massive tissue loss from her upper arm. Major pieces of skin and muscle tissue of her arm were missing or destroyed. Multiple reconstructive surgeries were required to regain some use of her arm. As you can see from the brake lights, the heavy traffic was unexpectedly slowing. By analyzing the actions of all vehicles, we aggressively pursued each insurance company to obtain a substantial total recovery for our client from each available insurance policy. Upon approaching the insurance companies, they agreed with us that this was a very significant case, and we were able to obtain a policy limit recovery consistent with such a catastrophic loss. The client was very pleased that we were able to get a prompt resolution of this case. And it was through our efforts in obtaining both the DVD and all of her medical records and making sure that she obtained the doctors that she needed to go to, that we were able to obtain a successful result. She was pleased, and we were very pleased on her behalf.